Ben Yosef.
Yeah, lo coach Durban City. Uyena owalemfundisa ukudlala kabi.
Udlala kabi.
You remember uDlovu babedlala kabi kanjani esisele kunjani. Kumanje lento leseyifundisa kweDurban City. Kusho ukuthi uyayithanda because remember uDlovu
azange
amkhiphe uDlovu. Limaza umfukeni.
Walimaza nokuthi no Cupid. Azange amkhiphe ngisho ikhaya.
Shuthi iyona indlela adlala ngayo lo mjita lo. Yabona but ke ngesigcwele futhi ufike South Africa uzoyitolikela.
Yeah.
Ujike ube yi-head coach.
Yeah.
Sanibona bafethu igama lami nguSanele aka uDonsa Nkabi. So bafethu we are back with another video. Njengamanje qeda kudlala iOrlando Pirates neDurban City. So bafethu bekuyigame emaqhubuke lena ngoba sazi ukuthi bane beef labantu bobabili. So before we get into the game, bafethu please don't forget to follow us on YouTube at starting11xi. So bafethu nangenjoy lo niyazi ukuthi angihambi ngedwa ngihamba noSibuda libuda Sibuda hamba njani?
Sharp version.
Ukrend.
Nandi Maswi.
So bafethu congratulations to Orlando Pirates bafethu for winning 2-1 against Durban City. Ama goal scorer uTito Masongani uvule ngepenalty. Wabuya uLungu on the 37th minute wa equalizer for Durban City. Then again Ulungu uyena lo goal scorer. Who is the scorer for Durban City?
Durban City.
Durban City. No, but nevertheless, so Sibuda, I guess, get a game. So, as we know, bafethu Orlando Pirates are champions ale MTN 8. So, ikiona bafethu they are defending it. So, they are in the semi-final manje. Sibuda ibuna njani game?
Nginibingelele ma followers ethu. Sibonga umdalo sasiphile ithuba lokuthi siphile. Yeah, Orlando Pagania Amstel Arena i-hoste Durban City.
Yeah.
Last time begcina ukudlala babegcine nge-draw.
Yeah, yani we league.
Yeah, babegcine nge-draw. Qalile igame ibuye nayo leya momentum i-Durban City against Pirates. Into engisagcizelela ukuyisho iPirates yadlala ibhola emumva emva kwasi center line.
Showcase.
Iyadlala ibhola kuhanje mase kufika phambili angazi noma ngizothi ubhudu yini. Ayikho creativity, clear cut chances. Clear cut chance nakhona futhi umbatha oqhamuke ne shot on target emva kwesikhathi eside midfield.
Umuntu okora for Durban City uLwamba.
Yeah, uLwamba.
Yes. No, I think our team they are still in pre-season mode. Abakashisi.
I know.
Sure nje?
Hayi sekuyadlalwa manje.
Sure nje?
Yeah, uphelile pre-season sekuyadlalwa.
Phela ama player awaka kick in.
Wonke umuntu.
So what is the problem?
Alright. Lenkinga le hayi ngoba ukuthi pre-season from last season. Besiqeda kusho ukuthi i-own goal i-player lilanda i-striker se-Pirates ngamagoli ngemuva.
Awuphinde futhi leso statement.
I-own goal umdlalo we-Orlando Pirates uza ngemuva ngamagoli. Kumdlalo we-Orlando Pirates oshaya amagoli uMahopa.
Angikuzwa mina ukuthi
qala uMahopa onamagoli amaningi Pirates is-striker. Umuntu olandelayo own goal.
Oh, okay. My own goals, not own goal.
Mina ngiyametha phela ukuthi sekumdlalo own goal angithi uyawashaya amagoli.
Understand. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
So
kodwa ukhona umlungu I think uHaaland usageza ngamadubula uzoba right.
uHaaland
Ubani kanti?
Peters banibani
Haaland.
oh yeah mase nje kufika phambili clear chances Orlando Pirates conversion rate very poor very yabona ishot on target njengoba iqhamuke nombatha bese futhi kwiDurban City angazi kusubstitute bani kwangena uPort and Port
uBrooklyn
yabona leliya khaladi leliyana lizingubo zodwa like lathola ichance yokureceive ibhola ku-attack iDurban City esikhundleni sokuthi atrap angamana lijikise liye emuva ibhola liphasi uyadideka ukuthi ngenze njani uyaliholda emva kwalokho ushaya istand laluza kanjalo bekungahenye ichance yokuthi iscore iDurban City 2 wenza ama tackle yabona ke nje abadlali bamanye ama team abadlala nePirates uma udlala nePirates wenza ama tackles uzolithola ikhadi punishment uzolithola ikhadi futhi even ired card uzoyithola wenza itackle ulimaza player of the match ya last time ePirate dancing lingekho ibhola kungenasidingo uyaphinda futhi wenza itackle wazi wacosta iteam wathola ired card ngenhlahla leyo iDurban City ayifani neTS Galaxy kwathi kiwa nje emzuzwini yoko 7 bana amagola esegijima ko 4 mangaphosi yakwa ayine defense iDurban City ba defendile kamnandi bayibamba well uyishayile uTito ipenalty lo dance ukushaya umdlali eboxing bekumoremi noma striker sekumbothuma yathola ipenalty kwaphuma ikhadi lesibili for uPortland Poglo
uPortland Pog
wayishaya uTito lokhuthi yabona ke iPirates once wagula izompenalize egulayo isuke ithola ired card isuke seyigula noma enengubo zodwa isuke seyigula yapunish Pirates ya lead phambili.
But I think kule game eDurban City umuntu engamgxeka mina ucoach uPortland Pog lo wakhona ubana ngimazi uBrooklyn uPortland Pog lo muntu lo been making ama reckless attack yabo been making udlalisa abadlali bePirates kabi mfethu yabo useneyelo waphinde futhi enza amanye ama reckless athi awumkhiphi ngani because uyabona lo muntu lo will cost a team uhleleleni indaba ungamkhiphi umdlali so I think lento yokudlala kabi uyena lo uBen Yosef ufike nayo Kaizer Chiefs
uBen Yosef
lo coach eDurban City uyena walemfundiso okudlala kabi we remember uDlovu babedlala kabi kanjani esesele kunjani kumanje lento leseyifundisa kweDurban City kusho ukuthi uyayithanda because remember uDlovu
azangamkhiphi
uDlovu limaza umfukeni
walimaza futhi no Cupid
azangamkhiphi
ngisho ikhadi
shuthi yona indlela adlala ngayo lo mjita lo yabona but ke ngesigxeke futhi ufike eSouth Africa uzoyitolikele ujube yihead coach yabo so manje lo muntu lo iyona indlela adlala ngayo utshela abadlali ukuthi abadlale kanje there is a trend there is a pattern yabo imhlulile igame but enye into istrategy sePirates bebesebenzisa ilokho nje i-possession dominance and after ke vele sebene lokho nje sebene red card Durban City but yale game at the end of the day bungaboni ukuthi ngathi
second half bekungabonakala i-defense yancanana beyi-well organized ama-substitution eDurban City bemnani uDomino Ngodo khona umlungu laphana Morris ingubo zodwa uke wamaka usibelebele Domino hayi cha yabona ekumakeni Durban City was beyi-lead kodwa for the first 10 minutes after the second half bekungabona ibiya pound to pound ikakhulukazi leli side la ka right la bekunomdlalo wePirates khona lo ngiyamkhohlwa lo mdlalo ibiyibajaha kusekhona ngisho uSiri ibiyibajaha isebenzisa la le side lika Sibelebele hayi emva kwaloko kwahamba kwakhombisa ukuthi khona abashodayo besifikile iPirates.
And futhi i-strategy se-first half eDurban City ne-second half asifananga. First half bezama lento yokubuilda from the back. Bayijwayele play yonto le. And ungafunda ukubuilda from the back udlala nePirates. You make ama defensive errors. Yabo. Because labantu bayapress. Ukeeper ngabe Asar. Ngabe uyibhola lishapa ufuna ukubuilda from the back. Anijwayele nje le yonto le. Why uzofuna ukwenza into entsha against i-champion? Against umuntu vele ozokushaya vele wazi ukuthi why uzofuna ukwenza ama errors ufunde izinto ezintsha.
Bebeluza kakhulu ibhola mabezama ukubuild up for the back. Iqolaze i-defense le nto le up until ibekeze idlala iDurban City bekumele idliwe within 90 minutes. Lento engisho front line ye-Orlando Pirates mfethu ayikho that creative, ayikho that much. Ukuba bekuwenye team emnandi bengaguquka even nango 2-0 3-0. Because manje bese begula labantu bese kushoda umuntu ozothi isikhala samfukeni singasho ukuthi sikhona.
Yeah. So the best 3 players ngingasho ukuthi lo mjidala abamthenge kwilokhunja kwisiwelele lo ulungu lo Koriwe.
Yeah, ulungu.
Ayi isazodla kamnandi iPirates
nama substitution akhe
isazodla kamnandi
ukhotsi bani
ukhotsi Tsetse
ayi
umnandi
right Pirates ayi legit imnandi ine pace yabona kube kukhona yena ngale ukhotsi Tsile ngapha kukhona uApolis no round the board
exciting
amasa abemnandi amalokhujani ukuthi ungene late i-defense si-organize ukuthi siya defender i-Durban City but uma ngabe iPirates ingastathisa laba abadlala i-substitute ngabo isaziwasha iPirates ngoba ama team aseyazi iPirates ukuthi ama regular players obani well ibe nalo ishintsho ke ayizange imfake unumber 7 uHodo azange imfake
uHodo mfana lo
ufaka uNdaba
Khotsi Tsetse
Khotsi Tsetse insweni phatho kaPolice ngapha iPirates isazobanquma abantu isona strategic coach angadla ngaso abantu sayibongela iDurban City well played ishoda idlale 128 minutes isabambe idraw ya
129
yabo
hayi bafethu hayi and futhi iPirates ngiyabona ngathi isa integrate abadlali abasha kwisystem yabo ayayithola i-rhythm yayo kahle hle but yabona mabezoya kuma preliminary round bese ihlaza kanje abakhohlwe i-CAF Champions League ngeke idlale i-CAF Champions League and omunye umdlalo odlalile Durban City keeper weDurban City
kakhulu
that boy was exciting
asare ngasafuni lutho begadlile
insizwa
bese kubuke ngisho bese attack CM bese attack i-defense yePirates kahle ngendlela bese lifuna ngayo igoli hayi waphika wachitha
exciting. I can't wait to watch this guy fethu ngazathi ngaqhubeka nje engadikibali aqhubeke nje nalama performances answebo. Then the last player that we want to mention is none other than uNcanana, the player of the match. Ncanana uyindoda. Hayi indoda into yakho ayimele
kakhulu.
Ncanana uyayimela into yakho.
Uphuce uLokhujana udansini i-trophy yakho uNcanana.
Hayi Ncanana.
Uphucana
Ncanana.
Insizwa.
Hayi insizwa uNcanana
mfana. ULokhujile izingubo zodwa uPohenpoho.
Hayi. Ningaphelele.
Fethu
phela lelo kunja
no foul.
Igoli ipenalty kungene early.
Yeah.
Early. I'm sure bawudlalile 120 minutes bengaphelele.
Yeah, kakhulu.
Hayi Ncanana mfana. Hayi to you Orlando Pirates is just a name.
Basazobhekana asezama
Hayi Ncanana.
Kuzoba manje
esigodini
Durban City versus Orlando Pirates ingubo zodwa supoha azikho.
Hayi
Sizoyibuka lo game izobe imnandi kabi.
Ayincanana uyinkunzi.
Hayi defend le.
Ufika uthatha iman of the match esigodini.
Hey.
Ngenkani.
Ayi ngodleli.
And futhi bebahleka uthi Thomas wangaye lapha bakhulumisa athi uzana.
Yeah.
Hayi inkunzi incanana mfana inkunzi.
Hayi defense.
Yabona indlela ebebethi bazonishaya ngayo.
Ama-analyst ala athe omunye wabo Pirates izodlula ngo-3-0.
So bafethu
Well
done to Orlando Pirates. Hard luck to Durban City bafethu. As we looking forward to ama semi-final. Sisobone iMamelodi Sundowns izodlala nePolokwane City ukuthi yona idlala kanjani. Then bafethu see you after i-game iMamelodi Sundowns versus Polokwane City. So bafethu don't forget tomorrow's corner futhi for i-game ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Dlala Kaizer Chiefs sasa?
ne-Lemonville Golden Arrows.
So idlala ne-Golden Arrows abafana bophuthu. So bafethu please don't forget to follow us at Starting 11 XI sabonga bafethu for engagement nangama followers, subscribers uthando lunye. Danke siyabonga.